Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving 10 Days of JavaScript's problem, Day 1 Functions. So our task is to implement a function named factorial that has one parameter, which takes in an integer of n and returns a value of n factorial. And what factorial is that it takes the nth value, and as you can see, it continues on until it multiplies all the values from 4 to 1 to get that final product. Alright, now to do so, to create a function, you have to go and type function, in JavaScript type in function, the name of the function that you want it to be, and the param name. I'll use n just to keep it consistent with the problem statement. And now I'll use a for loop. You could use recursion, but I think I like using a for loop better to make it more space optimized. Yeah, it's kind of complicated to explain. Look up recursion yourself and maybe understand why probably a for loop is better. So for let I equals n, that's its starting point, and will continue going down. How a for loop works is that it has a range. The starting point is started right here, I equals n, it starts at n, and continues until I is greater than 1 and I minus minus. So do let final value equals 1, and here I'll do final value times equals I. Alright, so before you get confused, here's what happens. So I start at n and I multiply that value with the final value, and then I keep going, I reiterate it. So I minus minus means I decrement that value by 1. So now it's final, so it's going to be I minus 1 times final value, and I continue on forth until it will show something like this: 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and it will get that final product. Now here I'm not including the value of 1 because if I do, anyways, whatever multiplies by 1 remains the same value. So just to make it faster, I just included all values from the value n to 2. So when I run this, it should pass. Good. Now I submit the code. Great. It all passed. It all passed. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Feel free, if you have an optimized solution, please add it below. I prefer to have my variables kind of named a bit so that it makes it easier to track. I don't think I have anything else to say except have a good day and good luck studying for JavaScript. See ya.